Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan your Leroy Merlin card in a shop. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Leroy Merlin app. Then tap on the bottom right corner to your profile. And the first option is My Card. You tap on My Card, then you scroll down, and here you will see your card number or this barcode, what you can scan in a shop when you are finishing your shopping. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.